Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. So in today's video, as the title says, I'm gonna be doing a best Christmas theme mod for my 240SX. I think this video is gonna be really fun and exciting. Of course, this is a budget build channel. I sourced a bunch of, I guess like a Christmassy decoration at Daiso, and everything was $1.50. So yeah, like I bought some grass mat, what is this? Some fake snow. Or it's a cotton actually, so I'm gonna be using cotton as a fake snow. This little cute car, and some ornaments, and I'm gonna be using this to create a nice privacy cover for my 240SX to make it more festive and stuff like that. Really excited how this might turn out, but if you guys want to get to know more about it, keep on watching. Let's get right in. So a little update, I got my trunk fixed. It looks beautiful, right? So Leighton actually primered it over, but it looks really good. I'm really happy with the results, and yeah, it's super clean and the rust is gone, so really happy about that. But basically, you guys know this is what the privacy cover for S13 is. And basically I'm gonna be filling that space with Christmas ornaments, Christmas theme decorations and stuff like that to create more festive vibe. Alright, so first I think I want to figure out where I'm gonna put the grass, because I only have 3 sheets of grass. I should have bought more, but I have to work with whatever I have. So let me show you guys what it looks like with 3 grass sheets. Get this out. So good thing about Daiso is that they're all $1.50, so you don't really have to worry about spending too much money on Christmas decoration, because I feel like Christmas is only like a little bit throughout the year. It is very festive, but you don't want to spend too much money because you'd rather spend something on something else, not a decoration. I'm thinking I'm gonna put the grass like maybe like a little bit in the middle, but also like kind of towards to the back. The reason why, because I only have 3 sheets, like I said, and I'm planning to fill everything else with the cotton to create that snow effect. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Perfect. So I have a masking tape. I think I'm just gonna mask tape the bottom. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Alright, so now that I laid out the grass, just check to see if it moves or anything. It seems like it's fine sticking together. I don't really like this gap in between, but I'll try see if there's anything I can do to hide that. But we're gonna move on to the next step, which is to fill the rest of the space with cotton. So that's what we're gonna do. So this cotton was also $1 at Daiso, and it's supposed to be able, you can use this whole thing for 1 tree. So it should be enough to fill this whole area up, but you know, we'll see. So what you want to do is you want to grab some and kind of just stretch it out. So it's looking really good right now. It looks like a little snow around this little grassy area. I kind of wanted to paint it over like with white or something, but I think I kind of like it this way to give it a little contrast. But I'm gonna put like the rest of the ornaments, like I have those and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see how it looks with it. Alright, so I put some ornaments on. So I feel like I kind of want to add a little bit more snow in the middle area because it's a little sad. There's not much going on there. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more cotton. And my goal is to try and hide this at the same time, but we'll see. But yeah, let me try to do something real quick. Okay, so now this is the last part, which is lights. So both of these actually are from Daiso as well. Like I said, everything I bought is $1.50. So these ones, it takes AA batteries. So the switch, I haven't really decided because there's two like gigantic boxes. I think I'm gonna like tuck it underneath for both sides and probably put a double-sided tape along this way, so that way it should be okay, it should work. So I'm gonna do that quickly and get back to you guys. Here's the end result. So this is how it came out. I really like how it looks so festive. So I end up kind of like adding a little bit more snow on the side to make it more ombre, if that makes sense. And then I ran the lights like that, and yeah, it came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to drive it like that. I really like how let me show you guys. So when I'm driving, basically, you look at the rear view mirror and look at that. Isn't that so cool? Like you can literally see the Christmas lights in your rear view mirror. I thought that was really cool. Alright, well, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a really straightforward video today, but you know, I wanted to feel festive, and this is something that, like, this is my first time doing something like this, so it was really nice that I got to like do this type of seasonal type of decoration to the car. And if you're watching this, you can try this definitely at where you live. If you have Daiso nearby, or you can order these on Amazon, and it shouldn't cost you anything more than $15. I think overall how much I spent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, so $11. So the total of I spent on this bill is about $11 to $15. And yeah, this came out really good. I think $15, you can't go wrong with it. I feel like you're only gonna have it for a month, right? Like, you don't want to spend too much money on it when you can buy more car parts. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly decoration for your car, this is it. And I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow all my social media, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.